Hey guys, welcome back to Be Beautiful. So I'm sure by now you have mastered your makeup routine with the help of our expert beauty tips. But do you know what is equally important? That's right, taking it off. You obviously do not want clogged pores and bacteria buildup. So I'm going to show you a few simple steps as to how you can take off your makeup before going to bed. So let's get started. Step 1. Wipe off with a makeup remover. Long-lasting makeup like lipstick, eyeliner and mascara sometimes need a little more than just a face wash to be cleaned. So here I have something that will help you in getting rid of that stubborn makeup quick and easy. So I'm using these facial wipes as it's gentle even on the most sensitive skin. It's perfect for when you're on the go. Pack them in your gym bag or in your purse for that instant hydration and face cleansing. Step 2. Target those stubborn areas. In case you still feel there's some stubborn makeup left on your face, like a long-lasting lipstick or mascara maybe, then apply some petroleum jelly and wipe it off with a cotton pad. Step 3. Use a face wash. Now, apply a face wash for that final round of cleansing. This is the face wash I'm using, which will keep my skin thoroughly cleansed and revived. The best part is that it's perfect for even sensitive skin. Step 4. Replenish. So once you're done cleansing, always remember to replenish with a moisturizer. This moisturizer has been my absolute favorite as it replenishes barrier lipids while moisturizing, and it's paraben free as well. And then finish off by applying a lip balm. I'm using this lip balm as it locks in moisture and helps in repairing dry, dull and cracked lips. It also has a sheer pink tint with a natural glossy shine. So that's all guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to follow this simple makeup removal routine, and with that it's a wrap. Don't forget to subscribe to Be Beautiful, and I will see you in our next video. Bye!